Right, welcome back. The next thing we want to do is that we are going to go to our Gemini as usual. Let our Gemini load for us. It's been simply because it takes times that we come back. So let it just load. And as it is now, the next thing I want to tell Gemini is that what is the font style of the invitation text in the flyer. So I'll tap it like this. So just wait for it. It will give you the font style so that when you want to do the same thing, you can just go and do that. Let's wait for it to load for us. You can see different kind of font style. So let's first start with brush script. Alright, let's just tap the, if you want to tap the text, you go to this place here, tap on it. Then what we have here is brush script, something like that. Invitation, that is what we want to type. What have I typed? Invitation. No, I'm typing rubbish. It is called invitation. So I'll tap outside, then tap this place. Now we'll go to where we have fonts here. Then you tap on the font. What we want to do after this, you tap on this arrow here that is pointing up, this arrow here, tap on it. Then what we want to type here is brush scripts, brush scripts. So let's see brush scripts. This is brush scripts. So it has changed it automatically. Let me see if I'm contented with it. So in this case now we want to change the font color, right? So let's try and check the font color we have here. Let me check the font color, something good. Okay, I want to, before I can get the font color right, let me push it, take it up here. Invitation, it is somewhat different, but it is also good. So you tap on this place here, font size, to reduce, to increase it like this. I can increase it like this. I'll put it here, invitation. So I can also reduce it, maybe it should put it on 50. Invitation. So now that it is, I will just try to pick color for it. This is where we have color. You tap color, then let our color load for us. You tap this place here, then you can see by default is giving us color that we have in the design. So let me tap this color. So I'm not satisfied with that color that I have there, so I will upload the biggest picture here again, the one we downloaded recently, then add to page. After adding to page, then I will try to look for the color. So I want to go to this invitation stuff like that. So if you see, it is not brush script, it is another style entirely. So let me go to Gemini and see wedding scripts. Sorry, our design was interrupted. Sorry for that. So let me try and check wedding scripts. Go to font again, tap the button up here and check wedding scripts. Maybe that will give us what we have there. Wedding scripts. We have just wedding. Let me check this wedding, something like that. I'm not sure we have something like that here. Okay, let me check the last one. It's not necessary it should be let's say formal script. It's not necessary it should be exactly that. We are just getting inspiration, formal script from what someone have designed before. You just make yours to be better. Formal script. Let's check this. I think that is it, or something closer to it. Let's check this as well. Invitation. Let's Let's check another one. Okay, let me just go with this. Then I want to use the exact color in that their own invitation. I will zoom it like this. Then I will tap on my own invitation, go to the color palette that we have here. This color palette, you tap it like this. After you've tapped the color palette, you tap the arrow that is pointing up. After you've tapped the color that is pointing up, even by default I think it is here. You can see it. You can see it. Because it brought the design out for us. So I don't want to stress myself again. I've used that one. I will just go back, bring down the color. Then this one that we have, I think I'm okay with it. I just want to scroll, tap the color again, tap the arrow. Then in this place where we have the color, you can then be searching for the exact color. Since this one looks somehow dark, you tap on this place like this, tap on it. So now you can be navigating to see the exact color as you are moving your cursor, your pointer. It will be changing the color for you gradually. So I think I might like to go for something cool like this. The invitation is too tiny, but we can manage it like that. I think we can manage. Me move it up a bit. So I think I'm okay with this. I'm okay. There's a stick. Let me tap here and go to effect. You can see effect after advanced. Tap effect. So let's see what we can do with our own. Let me tap shadow, and I think I might want to manage it with shadow, or let me scroll and see if I should use outline. No. Let me just make use of that shadow. I think I'm okay. So the next thing I want to do is let's just reduce the girl picture or remove it. So okay, what is the next thing we want to do? We want to bring the names, and I think that is what we want to do now, which is the families of something. Let's say the families of Aweda. That's what I want to use. But before I do that, I want to do some kind of aesthetic graphic design skill here. So this one, so I'll go to tap this place here where we have elements. The elements part here, this element, you tap on it. After tap on the element, what you want to do now is that you will go to you type white shadow, tap white shadow. So you can tap all to see where, but let me try this one first. You just try it on this one. Try tap it. I think this one is manageable. I'll just place it anywhere here. I want to make this side to look somehow whitish. So after I place it, I will tap on this place here, this handle here, then duplicate. I'll bring it, the duplicated one down, duplicate again, bring it up a bit like this, duplicate, bring it down, duplicate, bring it down, duplicate again. I will keep duplicating so that those parts will be whitish in nature, and the girl picture will be blended alongside. You can see that those parts is getting white, right? It's white already. I might want to take it up to this place like this, then duplicate. I will take it extreme to this girl side here, duplicate it. Then I think it's becoming too whitish in nature and it might affect our design. But let me scroll and see this. I think I want to go with it. No shit. So I might want to remove the one up here, delete it, so that the design can have a bit breathing. So I think it's okay like this. This part here, this same part here, let me bring it down a bit. So it's okay like this. This part here, tap on duplicate, then I'll bring it down here. Tap on this place, duplicate it, and cover up this place here. So we are good to go. The next one we want to bring now is, let me check the families of. So you go to, let me check again. Okay, you go to your text as well, tap on this, add heading, then you place the family of, tap on it. Let me check what we have here. The families, that's what they type there. put the families of, it's okay, take it down to this place. Then you change the font color. You can see where we have the font color here, you change it to black, change the font color to black. Then you can then reduce the font size beside that color, reduce the font size like this, then bring it down to this place here, right? The families of, bring it down a bit. So the next one we want to do is we'll go to our text again. Let me just put, these families should be capital letter. Let me see if I can check it in format. This is format here. You tap on format, then let me tap this last one and it has changed automatically to this. Then you can also change the font size style if you don't like it font here. So I can go to Anton. There is a font called Anton. We have link pattern. You can see it will make it bigger. We have Anton. It will make it also bold but not too fat. Then with that, I can now reduce the font size a bit. Reduce it. So let's go and let me paste it like this. So the next one we want to do, let's go families of Aweda something something. Let me say, I'll tap on the add heading again. You just type Mr. full stop Aweda Olawale. Let me just put it like this, the name. Then you pick it like this, bring it down. Then you go to font size again, reduce it. Then I'll position it well like this. I want to use central alignment. I will teach you that later. So you go to the font style here, which is the one they place as font. Click on it. Then you change it from this, or let's first of all go to bold. This format, tap on it, then tap it to not to be bold, and I think I want to manage it like this. Then you now go to font size and reduce it again. Reduce it. Okay, so even the families of something, I want to reduce it very well. So we're still going to change some things. Let me put this one, let me bold it back. Bold it back. So we'll go back to our design, which is what we are watching, naming ceremony. I can decide to shift this up. So let me just bring the naming ceremony, go to your gallery. Remember the naming ceremony we've created earlier, tap on it, then add it like this. Then you remove the background from your remove BG like this. So you tap on remove BG and the background will automatically be removed. So now I'll position it like this. Then let me close this. Then you crop. Try to crop it like this. Crop this as well. Then increase it. I can reduce it as well. So now I want to reset the names now, because let me check this place. You still have something of their baby. Put the name of the baby, that's all. So let me check again. Instead of that, I will move the babies, the family of something. Then this one as well, I'll move it up. Then the naming ceremony, let me crop it a bit. I'll also move it up. Move it up. Moving it up a bit. I don't want it to touch that Mr. So I can reduce it a bit. Then position it in a way that it will give me balance, text alignment. So this my name now. I can move here. You see this thing called nudge. Use this nudge to push it down a bit. You see that down arrow, push it down a bit and you leave it. So what next you want to do is that you want to tap on the family of, go to effect. You can see effect after transparency. Tap effect. After you tap effect, go to under outline. You can see outline. Tap outline. You can see it has outlined it already. Do the same thing to Olawale. You could go again and use the outline. So now there's one more thing I think we can do to make this beautiful instead of using outline for this. So instead of that, we can just remove it, remove the outline, go to effects, then we remove the outline. No, you don't need to, just go to effects, then you scroll to this place where we have none. You tap none to remove the outline. So I will still going to change the fonts of that stuff now. I want to change the fonts to something Canva instead of this thing. So it is good in that. So the Mr. Whether something, I will change it to something, change it to league pattern, which is bold fonts, league pattern is okay. Now you might be wondering, this one is not pronouncing. It will pronounce. Let me shift it up a bit. Sorry, let me move it down like this. So you go to your element, which is your element, as you remember our element. Go to your element, this is element, then you type any shape you want to use, which is, let me say, rectangle. Tap on rectangular shape. It has brought rectangular shape here for us. Then reduce it like this, bring it down to where we have the families of, then you can increase this as well. Then you try to position it right here. So you swap there, tap the nudge again and move it down a bit. So after you've moved it down a bit, we want to, let me check something here, swap again. Alright, I want to check something. Then in here I'll zoom it. I can see that this one has something like a round curve that will swap back to this our own too. Then you can see this corner something here, this corner stuff here. You tap on the corner, then you can see corner at the up there. You can see the way you are doing it, it will be forming the shape. Now you just cancel it. Then you can hold on to your design like this and zoom it a bit. Zoom it. Now what I want to do is I will tap on this one that I recently brought. I will then crop it a bit. Then this side too, I will reduce it. I don't want it to be too long. Then I'll go to my nudge. Use your nudge to position it like this. So I will now tap on that families. Then I will go to fonts. Under fonts now, I will go to font rather. As I said, I want to change it to something that is bolder, or let me go to format here if I can bold it a bit, and I think bolding it will be the right option. Then the font size now, I can reduce it. Instead of 22, I want to give it 18. So I'll use my arrow like this to position it at the center alignment. Then tap outside. I can tap on the edge like this and reduce it again. Then reduce this a bit, so it's too big. I don't want so now I'll go to my nudge again and position it like this, then bring this down a bit, so it is okay in that positioning. Then I will try to reduce all this of that. So now I will reduce my design and I can see it's getting shape. Tap on this again, then let me bring it up. So naming ceremony, now it is now very better for me now to just like push this stuff up, right? The naming families of Mr. Aweda Olawale naming ceremony. Go to the other design and see what we have there. Their daughter, right? Naming ceremony of their daughter. Tap on the T dot. You can use the add a subheading, then you put of their daughter, then tap outside, tap there and bring it like this. Bring it like this. Then you reduce the font size. Reduce the font size like this. So I will then go to this nudge and push it down of their daughter. So we are using black. Let me check. They use black there of their baby girl. Anyone you like, you can use. So I want to now that we have all this like this, you can just put the name of the girl elsewhere, something around this place. Let me tap on this door, then tap on the plus button to copy it. Let me just say cow. Let me just, I want to find a baby name. Let me just say Khadija. Let me use Khadija Aweda. It is just a template, so Khadija Aweda. So I will tap this and put it here like this. So, or let me bring it down to this place so that it will resonate with what we are doing. I'll tap on the font size, then increase it. So I've done it like, now tap on it like this, Khadija Aweda. Now there's something I want you to look in this design. There's something called balance in design. The space I have here, the space here should be equal with the one we have here. Sorry, we have here, otherwise your design is not balancing. So I will push all this stuff up again. Now if I want to push it up, I can just zoom this place like this first, then tap on, okay, let me just move it, go to my edge so that things will not scatter. Push the other one to go to edge, then the Olawale again, go to my edge. So I want to position this on Olawale where let it balance. Then this again, I'll go to my edge as well. I'll push it. It's okay this place. Their daughter as well, I'll put this. Then Khadija Aweda, I'll push this like this. Alright, so tap on this. I will reduce the zooming. Then this Khadija, I want to push it down a bit. Then I will now go to fonts. Leak pattern is what I want to choose. Tap on fonts. Then you can see leak pattern. That's what I want to use. Then I'll go to my notch again. Then push it down a bit. So that is the name I have here. Now let me just do something. Khadija Aweda. I see the Khadija Aweda. I want to try to change the color. I don't want the color to be black. Then I'll tap on it again, then duplicate it. After I've duplicated it, I'll move it to this place. Then I'll tap on it again like this. I want to tap on it. Then I will remove the Aweda. Then I will retain the Khadija. I'll bring the Khadija on top of this other Khadija. I will zoom it. You can zoom it. Then go to this place here. Move it. Change the color so that you can get the setting very well. So you go to color, this place. Then I want to use, and let me tap this color arrow so that it will give me chance to choose this color. Yes. So now I'll go back like this. Then try to position it. And to position it very well. So it has a line. I will then reduce it. You can see that it's giving a very good stuff like that. So I can still tap on the color here. You tap on the arrow, so it will take me to the color side where we have this side here. Then you tap on it. After you've tapped on it, tap on it. So you want to make the color, you can see something like this, or you can even increase it. Then we are good to go like this. We have Khadija Aweda. Is that all? No, but our design is given, isn't it? It's coming live. So I can then continue in the next class.